His father is 6-time win, 6-time champion, but the father is yellow color. And this guy black like mother. Hello, hello boy. Make sure boy. It's my newcomer, white color. It's a male. Gonna be heavyweight, this guy. Big one. Very tall and gonna be very heavy one. At least when he grow up 3 kilograms at least. There's a newcomer here. Already 4 days now, and he's now a friend with these 4 chicks. He only walk with them, no other. I like this guy a lot. Can't wait to see when he grow up. This guy. Yeah, I like this guy a lot. He's a brother. Got one more here. He's the same like these 2 guys. Yeah, these 2 guys gonna be great rooster. Can't wait to see them grow up. See these 2 guys. Okay. This small guy is good one. He start showing his duty. I want to see how he crawl, but cannot see yet now. Yeah, he's starting showing his duty, his power, his skill now. Maybe next month he will be growing, because he's now 5 months old. So at the age of 6 months he will be growing, or sometimes even faster. He's gonna be smart like the father. His father is 6-time lightweight, 6-time win 6-time champion. But the father is yellow color. And this guy black like mother. The mother is here. Mother is here with her second time chicks. First time was that one, got 7 chicks. And second time with this one, got 8 chicks.